ma'am, don't worry regarding for your safety. There's a lifeguard and photographer downstairs.
Okay.
Okay? Ingat-ingat po tayo baka magasasan yung bato. Inuna pa talaga yung bato. Totoo talaga yan ma'am. Baka magasasan yung ulo. Ito, marami na talagang nauntog. Careful, watch your head.
Ano yan nauntog sa katuwanan?
Sir, kaya nauntog.
Wow. Watch your head. Isin mo.